Hi, I'm Rasheed Philips. I'm a pit master, and we're here at the Beef is What's for Dinner Culinary Center. I'm going to teach you some amazing tips and tricks to help elevate your beef. All right, guys, so we are going to make some delicious brisket tacos. Very important step. The first step, honestly, is slicing the brisket. When this brisket was prepared, I took a little piece off to remind myself to slice this way so that I'm cutting against the grain. Because typically after the cook is done, you can't really see which way it's going, and that can really make a difference. Soft, it's got that nice wiggle, that bounce per ounce. And let's slice. We've got a great looking smoke ring here. And remember, we've made sure we let this rest. That's why we don't have a cascading river of juices coming out, so that the juices get to redistribute and it stays nice and moist. And you get beautiful slices like this. Perfect for brisket tacos. We've got our tortillas here. Fire up, toss that on there. And we're just using the heat from our stove to help make our tortilla nice and pliable. Start with a couple nice healthy slices of our smoked brisket. Grab some nice fresh jalapenos. Grab the onions, add a great bite. You can pickle them if you'd like. Nice little mixture of pico, a little sweetness from our tomatoes, extra acidity from our lime juice, cilantro. Cascade a little tomatillo, lime juice. There we are. I made this for myself. I'll let my guests make their own. It's delicious. For more amazing and delicious tips and tricks, visit beefiswhatsfordinner.com.